So we're going to film, this is in the Shillong area, and we're not too far from Chile University either. And then, actually there's a red planet, which is kind of cool, because these are pretty clean and convenient. And usually really affordable too. I just want to film on this busy intersection. I'm actually across, going over this street. And I just wanted to film. And this is building, I can see it everywhere, I just want to film it. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. This building, I can see it everywhere. I just want to film that too because I'm going to zoom in on the zoom camera. You can see how it looks kind of like a puzzle Rubik, what's that called? Jenga board or something. Really cool. And over here we got a temple as well. And it's got some nice ponds and like a lake that's kind of right in the middle of everything. So I'm walking over this intersection. There's a major road right there, and there's a major road right there. It's like that guy's gonna walk over it. And there's some exercise equipment. I don't know what this big triangle is. Let's see if there's anybody in there. Walk closer and make it into a whole thing, couldn't I? If I had more time and if I lived here or something like that and I wasn't working and I didn't have a busy schedule, it'd be fun just to go up to locals and ask them, you know, what is this? See what they say. Okay, so we're going to conclude this little space. Oh, a little motorcycle gang here. Scooter gang. Okay. That traffic just kind of picked up. And this one is kind of slow, so this street is not very busy. Because, you know, these cars are going down the little alleys, but you think they could focus on these bigger streets. More of them could. Anyways, kind of in the Shillong area.